Hello everybody, it's my 2 cents worth back at you with another air test. Did a Cibola and a Teknetics Liberator a while back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do my T2. It's a cold day up here in East Tennessee, so I thought I've got nothing better to do. I'll go ahead and do a little air test on the T2. You can see I've got my yardstick. Coil is setting on the 18-inch mark. We'll get too close to it there and it sounds off. But it's sitting on the 18-inch mark, and we're going out to 0 for 18 inches, so everything should fall somewhere between there. So let's get to it. These are my coins. For my silver dollar, once again, I'm using my 8 reel I found. For the big copper, I'm going to use today a 8 Maravedis, about the size of a large cent. For quarters, I got a standard quarter, and I've got a seated Liberty that I found. Silver dime, standard dime, regular nickel, and a buffalo nickel, copper penny, and a zinc penny. Got a 10-carat ring and a little 14-carat ring. So, got my machine set up, running 98 sensitivity. I'm running my disc at 50, okay? Now, a lot of you might say, why is he running at 50? You'll be surprised. 50 has like a little mini boost. If you go watch the 100 GT's videos on air testing the T2 and some other products, you'll see that Teknetics has built in a little mini boost all throughout the different discrimination levels. But anyway, I run at 50 when I'm normally hunting. If I'm looking for everything, of course, I run at 0. I'm running at 3 tones to get the digital beep. I'm indoors, so you hear it chattering a little bit. But anyway, let's get at it. Alright, first we're going to try the 8 Maravedis. Like I said, it's about the size of a large cent copper. Okay, here we go. Right there's a foot. 14 inches. 16, 17, 18 inches on that coin. Amazing. Let's go right to the big piece of silver here. Can you hear the digital tone? Right over the end, and it runs out right at 18 inches. So, you'll still get a good digital tone up to 17. It gets real choppy between 17 and 18. So, the large copper and the big silver is just about the same. Alright, let's try the quarters. Okay, first I'm going to try a regular clad quarter. There's a foot, right over the 8. 14, 15, 15 inches right there. And that's where we lose it. About 15 inches, gets really choppy. Okay, silver seated quarter. Here we go. Foot, 14, right around 14 to 15 inches, 15. If you do it fast enough, you can get 15 out of it. T2 likes to swing fast to pick up the smaller targets. Regular dime. There's a foot. About a foot, between 12 and 13 inches. Silver dime. There's a foot. Same thing, a little over a foot, and it wears out. Got a regular nickel and a buffalo nickel. Don't believe there's any difference. We're going to try them. There's a foot. 13 inches. Right at 14 starts breaking up. Alright, let's do the buffalo. Same thing, right around 14 inches she starts breaking up. Zinc penny. Pick it up here. Foot. Getting real choppy. 12, 13 inches on a zinc penny. Copper penny. Foot. About 13 inches or so. Pretty good on 13 inches. That's about all you're going to get out of it. All right, let's try the rings. 10 carat ring. There's 10 inches. 11. Choppy at 12 inches. It still get a little at 13. Alright, 12, 13 inches on 10 carat ring. Little 14 carat ring. Okay, it's smaller. There's 11 inches. Between 11 and 12 inches on that smaller ring. Well, anyway, the T2 will pick up any coin in the air test at a foot deep, and the larger coins up to 17, 18 inches in the air. Of course, this is an air test. If you know, I tested the Cibola, which was pretty awesome, 17, 18 inches on the bigger coins. But I've hot rodded it, so it's not a normal Cibola. And I did the Liberator. I'll just have to say, the T2 is an awesome machine, awesome relic machine. Does pick up noise. Like I said, I am running. I'll show you my settings here. If I come through. Kind of got a glare on it. Sensitivity is 98. Disc 50. Running 3 tones on this test. So, and I have to add too, it has not been ground balanced because I can't get the ground balance here in the house up in the air with all the nails and screws and everything else. But if you ground balance it, it's only going to make it better. So, you see what we're getting on the air test with no ground balancing. Just turning it on, setting the settings, and going. Now, I've experimented, and I run it down to disc 0, sensitivity 99, and it's really not much difference if you're running at 50 disc. Now, if you run your disc down at 25 or something, you do lose depth. But there's right there around 50, 51 disc, you can get out of the trash and still have good depth. Or if you want to hear everything, go down and run as high sensitivity as you can run in disc 0, or go over to all metal mode and of course run in all metal when you're just pure relic hunting. But that's my 2 cents worth coming back at you here with a T2 air test. Hope it was helpful for somebody. Everybody have a great day and happy hunting.